Deliberations are back underway in the murder retrial for Dayonte Resiles.
Now there are some safety concerns for the jurors. Local 10 News reporter Ian Margol is live in Fort Lauderdale to explain. Ian.
Yeah, and they brought those questions up first thing this morning. They began their deliberations at 9 o'clock. They are continuing right now as we speak. So yesterday, the jury asked for a number of what are called readbacks. They are basically witness testimony. They're hearing portions of them. This is witness testimony they heard over the last few weeks of the trial. This is not video of it. It is literally being read back by the court reporter. Now, the first of those readbacks, the testimony of the crime scene techs who worked at the scene back in 2014. That was yesterday when Jill Halliburton Sue was stabbed and killed in her Davie home. That crime scene detective was on the scene that day. Then later in the day yesterday, they reheard testimony from Sue's husband. And this morning, the readbacks continue as the court reporter recounted the testimony of Sue's son. And once again, the jury had a few questions for the judge and the attorneys. Take a listen.
There's a concern after this trial about the juror's safety. If the foreperson wanted to have someone else take over, can she/he do that? What's a matter of public record?
So it does seem that there is some concern from this jury about their personal safety based on whichever verdict they do bring down eventually. The answer to that question, they are allowed to change the foreman when they want to, and the jury form is public, but there were still some safety concerns. They were trying to ease those concerns for the jurors. The deliberations are continuing right now as we speak. They are supposed to hear another readback, a fourth one, scheduled for tomorrow afternoon. They just asked the jury if they still want to hear that readback. We will keep you posted as soon as they come up with a decision on that and as soon as we get a verdict in this case. Live in Fort Lauderdale, Ian Margol, Local 10 News.